On Saturday, February 14, 2026, Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi witnessed a spectacular aerial display of fighter jets, transport aircraft and helicopters at the newly inaugurated emergency landing facility on the Moran bypass in Dibrugarh, Assam. Modi had earlier landed at the facility and presided over the inauguration of the Northeast's first highway-based runway designed for both military and civil use. The air show, featuring Indian Air Force fighters such as Sukhoi 30 MKIs and Rafales, underscored the strategic and operational capabilities of the new strip. Watch the highlights.
And notice the aircraft is now opening full power. And now the afterburners are engaged. And now call sign Eklavya, piloted by SCON leader Masand. The Rafale aircraft is now lined up for departure. You'll now witness the aircraft getting airborne in less than 500 meters and being combat ready within seconds of leaving the ground.
कॉल साइन एकलव्य रफाल विमान अब उड़ान भरने के लिए तैयार है। आक्रामक तरीके से ऊपर चढ़ते हुए यह विमान जमीन छोड़ने के कुछ ही क्षण में युद्ध के लिए तैयार हो जाता है।
And what you just heard was the sound of air dominance. And now from the horizon on your right emerges a bird of steel, a symbol of strength and reliability, Indian Air Force's stalwart, the AN-32 aircraft, call sign Balram, flown by Group Captain Dagar with Wing Commander Rakshit.
AN-32 विमान भारतीय वायुसेना का वर्क हॉर्स यानी सबसे भरोसेमंद विमान माना जाता है। उत्तर पूर्वी क्षेत्रों में तैनात सुरक्षा बलों को हवाई मदद देता है।
Look at the precision. The pilot is aligning a massive transport aircraft. The wheels touch down and roll down the highway, proving that no place is out of reach of Indian Air Force and Naya Bharat. The reinforcements and support can reach anywhere in the shortest possible time. And now turn your eyes to the skies as the fighters run in from your right. Coming in hot, approaching the Moran Emergency Landing Facility are the mighty Su-30 MKI. Flying in WIC formation, this is the Arjun formation of number 102 Squadron, led by Group Captain APS Saini.
अब आप सभी अपना ध्यान आकाश की ओर करें। दाहिनी ओर से मोरान आपातकालीन लैंडिंग सुविधा की ओर बढ़ते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं भारतीय वायुसेना के शक्तिशाली सुखोई 30 लड़ाकू विमान।
In a short while, the WIC formation will emerge tearing through the clouds. Ladies and gentlemen, be on the lookout for the mighty Su-30 MKI.
निनादमड्डमर्वयुच्चकारचण्डताण्डवं करोतु न शिव शिवं शिवम्
The Sukhoi 30 is the mainstay of Indian Air Force. This air superiority multi-role fighter jet is capable of employing modern long-range precision weapons like BrahMos and Astra. It's one of the most agile platforms of the Indian Air Force. Its operations from this emergency landing facility combined with lethal weapon systems provide reach beyond borders in no time.
यह लड़ाकू विमान आधुनिक लंबी दूरी के सटीक हथियार जैसे ब्रह्मोस और अस्त्र मिसाइलों को संचालित करने में सक्षम है। यह भारतीय वायुसेना के सबसे फुर्तीले और सक्षम विमानों में से एक है। इस आपातकालीन लैंडिंग सुविधा से इन विमानों का संचालन अत्याधुनिक हथियार प्रणालियों के साथ मिलकर सीमाओं के पार भी त्वरित प्रतिक्रिया देने की क्षमता प्रदान करता है।
And now you'll witness the most demanding and rare demonstrations of the military aviation. Look to the right. Call sign Arjun 3, piloted by Squadron Leader Bhadoria with Flight Lieutenant Benipal, is now coming in for an overshoot. Observe the massive lifting body and thrust vectoring authority.
कृपया अपनी दाहिनी ओर देखें। कॉल साइन अर्जुन 2, जिसका संचालन विंग कमांडर सौरभ जायसवाल और फ्लाइट लेफ्टिनेंट यश पुनिया कर रहे हैं, अब ओवरशूट के लिए स्वयं को संरेखित कर रहा है।
And now the most awaited moment, coming in from the far right, call sign Arjun 1, piloted by Group Captain APS Saini with Flight Lieutenant Jadhav, is now aligning for landing. Weighing over 38 tons, this twin-engine fighter demands nothing but absolute precision while landing on this highway. And touchdown. Shoots out, aircraft landed, mission accomplished. And now coming in from the right, in the WIG formation are the Rafales of number 101 Squadron. Call sign Abhimanyu. Leading this formation is Group Captain Arun Kumar. Emerging from the horizon, the Rafale, India's most advanced multi-role fighter, tip of the spear in Indian Air Force's arsenal.
तेजस्वी आभा के साथ दाहिने तरफ से आते हुए रफाल फाइटर जेट।
And now look out for the sharp peel off as the aircraft will now take a circuit.